Hey guys, it's Ashley Peterson here with the Ashley Peterson team at Promo Realty, and I am so excited about this listing. This is a listing that just makes me excited to think about it and for you guys to take this tour. I am at 3120 Citadel Court, located in the sought-after subdivision Monticello Acres. This home is gorgeous. I'm standing right now in the great room where you have cathedral ceilings. This is an addition of the home. This home has over 5,000 square feet, and get this, it has a 4-car garage located on the main level. You don't find that every day. A really neat courtyard and back, and the backyard is perfectly set up if somebody decides they want to put a pool in the backyard. That is definitely doable. And you also have 4 bedrooms here and a finished basement. So sit back and enjoy the tour.